श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोक number 94. Shri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. तिन्ही लोक जाळू शके कोप येता निवाला हरू तो मुखे नाम घेता जपे आदरे पार्वती विश्वमाता म्हणोनी म्हणा तेची हे नाम आता. The meaning of this shloka is the one who can burn the three worlds when enraged, that Lord Shiva too calmed down when he got engaged in chanting Rama's name. Parvati, the mother of the universe, ceaselessly chants his name. Therefore, O my mind, chant that very name now. A little bit of explanation of this shloka as I have understood it. I am presenting it herewith to all of you. Lord Shiva or Shankar is well known for his anger. He has such a power in his anger that he can destroy all three worlds just by opening his third eye. Even he calmed down when he started chanting Lord Rama's name. If such a wave of extreme anger can be controlled by reciting the name of Lord Rama, then it is definitely possible to keep our anger in control by chanting the same. Anger is one of the six enemies of the mind, the Shadripus. If not controlled, it can destroy the one who is angry as well as anyone nearby that person. When someone is angry, they lose their intellect completely. They are not knowing what they are saying or doing, as their ability to think is taken over by the anger. They may be angry at themselves or the people around them or the circumstances they are in. In the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, Shlok 63, Lord Sri Krishna explains how anger takes over someone. Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammohat smruti vibhramaha, smruti bhramshat buddhinasho, buddhinashat pranashyati. This means anger leads to the clouding of judgment, which then results in the bewilderment of the memory. When the memory is bewildered, the intellect gets destroyed. And when the intellect is destroyed, one is ruined completely. When someone becomes angry, they lose their human nature and the animal nature deep within them takes over. Hence, it is critical to control the anger at its early stage by recognizing it, or better yet, have complete control over our mind so that we prevent ourselves from getting angry. That is possible with the habit of chanting the name of God, Lord Rama, regularly and with full devotion. Even Goddess Parvati, who is known as the Mother of the Universe, recites Rama's name. Hence, O my mind, you too do the same with full respect and true devotion. तिन्ही लोक जाळू शके कोप येता, निवाला हरू तो मुखे नाम घेता. जपे आदरे पार्वती विश्वमाता, म्हणोनी म्हणा तेची हे नाम आता. If you liked this explanation, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ